Welcome, this is AP Physics 1 and I am your host, Ms. Steele. Today we're going to be learning about the flipped classroom.
In a typical classroom, the teacher stands at the front of the class and students watch and listen. The teacher is the center of the learning. This form of teaching is probably what you are most familiar with. This is the traditional method of teaching. As a student, you listen to lectures and take notes as best you possibly can. Often you may feel like the lesson is being taught too fast and you feel rushed and maybe even left behind. That night, you go home and try to apply what you learned that day by completing homework. You may struggle through this part of the learning process. You have to wait until the next day to get help on something you may not understand. A model of teaching that has been developed to alleviate some of the pitfalls of learning in the traditional classroom is by flipping the traditional model. This is known as the flipped classroom. In the flipped classroom approach to teaching, you will take notes at home as you watch videos of the lesson I would normally teach in class. The following day, after watching the videos, you will come to class and work through practical applications with your peers. There are many benefits that a flipped classroom can bring to the learning environment. The first benefit is that students are all able to learn at their own pace. The second benefit is that class time is now spent applying knowledge in more practical ways. Now you will have the chance to complete homework-type problems in class with your peers instead of at home by yourself. You will learn how to communicate and collaborate with them as well. I can now help give individual support and attention whenever needed. Unlike the traditional classroom where you may be able to get away with not doing homework once in a while, in the flipped classroom this is not the case. If you do not watch the videos and engage with them appropriately before class, the flipped classroom loses its potential benefits. So remember, it is very important to watch the specified videos before class.